Hey everyone, it's Mark and I'm here with my wife.
หญิง
And today we are going to make somtam, which is green papaya salad. With year one, it's going to be a lot of fun.
Okay, how excited are we?
Very
Very excited. Right. This is Mark. Can you say hello to Mark? And we are going to be making something today. Oh, we've got some good guests already.
ส้มตำปูปลาร้า
Yes. Okay, good morning everyone. Can you see this on your table? You know what ingredient is this?
ชีโร่ชีส
Salad? Good, almost, but it's a single ingredient.
คาเบจ
Almost, it's a fruit.
ฮะpapaya
Yes,
Good job.
papaya. And have you had papaya before that's orange and sweet? Oh, that's good. That's good. But this is green papaya before it turns ripe. So it has a totally different taste and different texture. So this is the main ingredient for who knows what dish you are going to make today. Yeah. And you see some garlic on your table? Find the garlic on your table. One piece of garlic is called a clove. So we're going to take 3 cloves of garlic and put it into your mortar.
Just the garlic. No, we'll find out what it is. Put the garlic in the mortar. Easier.
And then who likes to eat spicy food? Yeah. And then you can pound it in the mortar. Okay, we're moving on to the next ingredient. Who knows what this is? Oh, good. And did you know sometimes it's called a yard long bean because it can grow as long as a yard, as long as your arm. So, you can take 1 yard long bean, and the cool way to use this is you don't need to use a knife. You can just snap it like that, and snap it again.
Working together.
ขนม
ใส่เข้าไปเลยค่ะ
Okay. Oh yeah, I heard it over here. Tomato time.
tomato
You can find the tomatoes, and because these are pretty big tomatoes, you cut it into 4 pieces. Oh, good job. And one more cut on each. So you have 4 pieces.
เอามานี่เอามานี่
Fish sauce on its own, it has a really strong aroma. But if you mix it with lime juice and sugar, it will make a really nice flavor and it won't be as pungent. So we want to add 1 tablespoon of fish sauce to your bowl. Okay, the next ingredient we're going to use, lime. Can I show you guys how to slice a lime the Thai style? So normally you take like a third of it and slice it like that. Then you do a triangle like that. And then you do 1 more slice like that. And that way the core comes out with the seeds and then you have 3 parts of lime to squeeze.